Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lego Lambo build. I'm putting up this video as a how-to video. When I was halfway through the build, I realised that there was a part missing from the packs. Bearing in mind this is a brand new Lego set. It had only been opened just prior before the build. So I thought I'd show you guys what to do and how to get that part replaced. So you go to the Lego site, go to support. Once you've clicked on support, it gives you three options. That's missing bricks, broken bricks, and buy the bricks. Obviously mine was a missing part, so that's the option I clicked on. It asks you where you live, so obviously I clicked my country, which is the UK. Click on next, and then it asks you what build you're actually doing, what the set is. If you go to the box, your Lego box, it should have the number on there. It clicks that, search that, and then that brings up the build. It asks you what the name of the brick is or the number of the part, which, let's be honest, nobody's going to know that unless you know lots about Lego. So then underneath it gives you lots of diagrams to go through of all the bricks from the build. You just got to keep going through until you find the brick that's missing. Once you find that brick, you then click on it, confirm the order. Once you've confirmed the order, it'll then put it in your basket, and then you go to the basket, put in your details of where you live, and then what happens then is once you've clicked next, they process the order, send you an email to say that they're just working through your order. I think that's to figure out whether the set is new enough to send a brick out, or obviously if the set's 2 year old, they're not gonna, I don't think they supply a free brick because it's not under guarantee, and so they would expect you to buy that part. Yeah, and once I got that, I got the email through saying that it was approved and that they would be sending the brick out, and to expect that brick within 5 to 7 working days, which was the case. Came through in a little packet, and yeah, it just came through with a letter saying sorry that it was missing, and hope you enjoy the rest of the build, which I thought was brilliant. The service was great. Ordering the part was easy. Yeah, and I just thought I'd show you guys how easy it actually is.